Hello guys, for today's video, how to change Binance entity account to a personal account. So unfortunately, there's no way to switch your account from an entity to a personal account. The only available option is to disable your current entity account and then creating a personal account. So to do that, you have two ways. You can do it through the Binance app or through the website. So in order to disable your Binance entity account, just go to Profile Security and then tap Manage Account, Disable, and then click OK for confirmation. Same thing with the website. If you want to do it through the website, go to Profile and Security and then click Disable. Now, once you have disabled or deleted your entity account, you have to create a new personal account and then just log in like the usual way. Now, alternatively, you can also send a query or a response to the Binance form. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.